Zoom in, zoom in. This is very sharp. So when it gets resistance, the sharp end comes, and when resistance comes, the blunt end comes. So when it gets any resistance, the sharp end comes and cuts the sharp resistance. And when it enters the peritoneum, within the peritoneum, the blunt end comes, and this protective mechanism is for preventing the injury to the viscera and the vessels. So varus needle, how can you, it is asking question that how can you ascertain that varus needle is within the peritoneal cavity? The two tests we usually do, that is, we inject 5 ml of saline through the varus needle and aspirate. If there is no regurgitation or reaspiration, it is within the peritoneal cavity. And next is saline drop test. We put some saline in the varus needle. If it is sucked in, we are sure that